commodities closed mixed on Wednesday. Shares in the technology, hardware and equipment, pharma, biotech and telecom services traded higher, while shares in the food, beverage and tobacco, transportation and utility sector were under some pressure. On an economic data front, MBA mortgage applications dropped by 11.2% and durable goods orders fell by 4% in June. Decliners were ahead of the advancers as 72% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower yesterday. After hours, Facebook reported earnings of 97 cents per share on sales of $6.44 billion. Whole Foods Market 37 cents with sales of $3.70 billion. Amgen rose 11% year over year to $2.84 on revenue of $5.7 billion. McKesson up 15% year over year to $2.88 on a revenue of $49.7 billion. Asian markets were mostly down today. Nikkei down 1.13%, Hang Seng down 0.2%, China's CSI 300 up 0.09%, South Korean's Kospi down 2%. European indices are consolidating and U.S. futures call for a flat start. Expect today Alpha Class seen at $8.03 on sales of approximately $16.9 billion. Amazon.com seen at $2.43. Bristol Myers seen at 66 cents. MasterCard seen at 9 cents before market. And Celgene seen at $1.39. 24 cents a year ago. We also have some economic data to look at today. At 8:30 a.m. June advanced goods trade balance, new U.S. Census Bureau report on advanced economic indicators, initial jobless claims, expectations for that are around 261,000, and finishing at 11 a.m. July Kansas City Fed. In the markets, S&P 500 has a bearish outlook today with a key resistance at 2170. Short positions below that are preferred with targets at 2155 and 2142 in extension. NASDAQ used some caution here. Short positions below 4720 are preferred with targets at 4680 and 4640 in extension. And Dow Jones under some pressure, preferring short positions below 184.70 with targets at 183.45 and 183.10 in extension.